เอาประมาณจะบอกว่าถ้าตอบได้ให้1,000ก่อนนะพี่เอาไหมได้ไหม
เวทพูดอะไรดีสวัสดีครับผมชื่ออุกต้องภาษาอังกฤษหรือเปล่า
เอาใหม่
I don't know what to say. Wait.
And don't forget to invite your friends to join us หรอคะ
It's very fun. Staff very kind.
เยี่ยม
Except butter.
I joined it because it looked like a great CV material for my future.
I joined like partially because of that, but also because I wanted to see if I wanted to actually be like go into research like in the beginning of my career, and to see whether it would actually be something I liked doing, and also gain the experience, because that would help me like make decisions and see if I actually enjoyed it.
Yeah, I joined this camp because I have an affinity for science. I'm really interested in the different fields of science, and I think SSTP has been a really great camp for me to really explore that, to make new friends, and to discover people who are equally passionate about science the way that I am.
I joined SSTP because I thought that it's a very great opportunity for me to grow and advance my scientific skills. Thus, being here, I really do enjoy the program because it really does help me with all the skills I've learned, from DNA replications to working with enzymes and even with DNA in human cells. From that, I really do expect other people to join SSTP next year.
I feel really happy that I came to this camp because I think that it's really hard to find activities and camps where you get to conduct research and experiment with other experts. So I'm really happy that I discovered this camp and was able to gather experience and connections with other people who would become my friends and would later help me on in life as well.
So while like in this camp, the 10 days stay, I think that the thing that I mostly enjoyed was the lab experiences, because you can't really get this type of experience anywhere else, and it's a really rare opportunity. So I think that it's a really good educational and new experience for everyone to enjoy.
As Suome mentioned about the laboratory experience, I enjoy like the one that called gene editing technology, which is like yesterday's lesson. That one was very interesting because I think it would be like very useful if it has been like fully developed in the future.
My favorite lab is probably the first day where we're doing PCR. It's like making a copies of DNA, and I also really love the staff here because like they're very nice and very friendly, and they like take a very good care of us.
This camp is very fun and they have lots of good staff. They're very helpful. The food is also quite good and they have new equipment for you to use, which is very good.
Yeah, so my favorite station was in day 4 when we have to grab the mouse and then put it onto another box to study their behavioral pattern. And that was really fun, and the teacher was amazing. Ping Gang was super fun, super funny, and he's the best.
I think it's very fun. I learned lots of new things about biochemistry, and I think it reinforces my want to become a biochemist when I grow up, since I find this very interesting.
I felt that this lab workshop was an incredibly valuable experience. I felt that I was not only able to hone my lab skills, but it also provided me a great opportunity for me to talk to different professors and learn more about their research projects.
Personally, I felt that everything we learned throughout the camp gave a huge insight into what learning science in university will be like, and it made me feel more confident in my decision to pursue science in the future. And I think everything we've learned is an incredibly good foundation for many topics that will most likely appear in the future. So I hope everyone will get to experience this.
Adding on from Trio, so I would definitely say that the content taught here are very complex, but it's also really cool how they're able to explain to us like high school students to understand it in our way. And I think that this is definitely a very good opportunity for you to dive deep into science itself also, and perhaps you will find a new interest from here.
Well, in my school, I did learn some stuff about genetics, right? But this further, gave me more understanding on the different topics, especially on how thalassemia, genetic disease, transfers.
By doing practicals and going through lectures, you gain new knowledge where you can apply to your classrooms and beyond.
It's a very great opportunity for you to explore your interest. Whether or not you're into science or not, SSTP is such a great opportunity for you to explore. So please join next year, and it will be such a great happiness and experience to join.
I would definitely invite everyone to this camp. It offers the opportunity to grow and connect in an enriching environment.
I would definitely recommend for people who are interested in genetic engineering and genetic diseases and basically biology. Yeah.
For the new generation of SSTP, I want to recommend that before you come here, you'll probably get an email that shows you a bunch of videos you should watch before coming. I recommend watching them because if you don't, you'll be confused with a lot of things if you're not familiar with the topics.
Don't get COVID and come here, and let's come join this camp.
So if you're interested in biosciences, I believe that this program is such a great opportunity for you to try out, and I can ensure you that you will never regret it. So don't forget to join this program and have fun.
I agree. I think SSTP, as an alumni myself, I would say enjoy, live in the moment. There's always going to be a new lab every day. You're always going to get the opportunity to try something new. You're going to get to learn pipetting, like Ethan said, and just being able to embrace the opportunity of being able to practice this new skill, practice these new skills, and learn a whole bunch of knowledge. I've learned so much from this camp, and I think the joy is really being able to learn it with the new friends that I've made at this camp, and that's definitely been a real joy. So I think if you're thinking about doing SSTP for the future, then you are really setting yourself up for a really great opportunity, and on behalf of all of us, it's a great chance for you to make new friends, the camaraderie of it all,
and learn new the love of science.
Yeah,
the love of a lot of things. Yeah.
Come join this camp.